What I've got here is a set of 4 Verum butt chisels. So we've got a 6mm, 13, 19 and 25. They're made beautifully. So we've got a smaller butt handle turned out of Bubinga. This tapers into a stainless steel ferrule. The chisel blade has a tang that goes up into the handle, and overall a really nice weight. Small work we can do around the bench, maybe around the home if we're chopping in hinges. Really good sized chisel for that kind of work. They're not a firmer chisel, they are a bevel edge, but a bit like a firmer, they're left with more steel around the edge here, so you could do light mortising. Just great for our general bench work. To buy any of our Verum chisels, check us out at woodworkersworkshop.co.uk. Keep on following us on Facebook and Instagram, and obviously on our YouTube channel.